How you doing, guys? It's Joe from Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video of this absolutely stunning 2016 66 plate Yamaha R1. Well, what a beautiful bike this is. Like I said just then, 2016 on a 66 plate, but it has actually got the 18 plus fairings on it. It's a beautiful bike, it's dripping extras. As standard, these do get a quick shifter, you get a couple of different power modes, you get traction control, you get slide control, ABS, full colour TFT display. You get the KYB forks, which are obviously fully adjustable as well, manual adjustable. But I'll just show you the display dead quick. So you've got your power modes here, your adjustable traction, your adjustable slide, and then actually if you look on the right hand side there, you can see how much brake you're applying, and then the other side is your throttle as well. So aftermarket bits wise, it does have quick release spindles, it's got some R&G protection, it's got some aftermarket levers, you get a tail tidy. This one has got the Akrapovic end can and aftermarket decat pipe, so it sounds fantastic. I'm sure you've just heard it in the promo already beforehand. But yeah, beautiful bike. Obviously it's got that crossplane crank engine. These bikes are doing fantastic in BSB and World Superbikes, so grab yourself an absolute beast. If you do want to get it bought, you know what to do. Get yourself down to Jordan Bikes, or simply give us a call and get it snapped up before someone else does. Thank you for watching.
Hi guys, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video until this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are very, very fussy. And we put 3 months warranty on it. If you want to extend that, you can. You can either have 1 year or 2 years. We've filmed it in high definition, but if you do want any extra photos or footage, just give us a call, we can send that to you. We offer finance as well, finance on all bikes and PCP on bikes up to 5 years old. Again, if you want a quote, just give us a call or pop in. And as always, finance is subject to status. So if you fancy the bike, give us a ring, you know where we are. Thank you for watching. Cheers.